Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. We're working on single leg kick, and the goal of this exercise is to strengthen the entire back of your body, which conversely stretches the front of your body. But because you are kicking one leg at a time, this makes it a unilateral exercise, which challenges your ability to stabilize the bottom of your Pilates box against rotation and side bending. This exercise is introduced at the intermediate level. You do it if you're intermediate or advanced, and you do a series of 5 sets. So I will meet you on the mat. If you're working at an intermediate level, you just finished the neck roll. If you're advanced, you just did the Swan Dive. Either way, you finished about here. You'll stack your palms one on top of the other. Rest your forehead on your hands. Scoop your powerhouse, pulling your navel up towards your thumbs. Reach your tailbone towards your heels and press the tops of your feet into the mat. And then pull your lower abdominals forward and up to slide your chest bone up the wall in front of you. Prop yourself up on your elbows, connecting your fist. Keep pulling your powerhouse forward and up and draw your arms back into your powerhouse. Pull your right heel to your seat, keeping the lift in your powerhouse. And then pull it in a little bit closer. As it goes down and back, lift your lower abdominals forward and up. Other side, pull your left heel to your left sit bone. Keep lifting your lower abdominals so you don't compress your lower back. Reach your leg back, abdominals forward and up, and you flow. Keep the lift. Kick it closer, reach it back. You kick it closer, reach it back. Keep lifting your lower abdominals as you kick your heel to your seat. Pull it in closer, trying not to sink into your lower back. Keep the lift in your lower abdominals. One more set. Scoop, scoop, and scoop even more. Reach your legs back, tailbone back, navel to the top of the wall in front of you. So that variation of this exercise is challenging for me. You can tell because it's hard for me to pull my heel close to my sit bone. It's because my quad or the front of my thigh is tight, so it restricts that range of motion. But some people are super bendy and they can easily kick their seat while keeping their chest up. So to increase the challenge, do this. Start off the same, stack your hands one on top of the other, scoop your powerhouse, sending your tailbone back, press the tops of your feet into the floor. And then pull your chest forward and up, prop yourself up on your fist, pull your triceps back, chest up. Now root your pubic bone down and lift your thighs as you lift your lower abdominals higher. So now you're already using your glutes and your hamstrings more. Now just do a single kick. Feel like you're pressing your upper inner thigh up to send your leg back. Other leg, bend your knee. Press your upper inner thigh up to reach it back. Now you flow. Single kicks. Kick, kick, kick. The whole time I'm trying to press my upper inner thigh up towards the ceiling. One more set. I'll reach my legs back and away and my chest forward and up. So one common issue I see in this exercise is a collapsing of the top of the Pilates box. What that looks like is this. As I kick, my chest drops and then I return. I kick, my chest drops and then I return. So in order to stabilize the top of the Pilates box, I press my inner elbows and my pinky fingers into the mat. I pull my triceps back to lift my chest up. I have to keep that pressure in my arms as I kick, and I pull my arms down and back, chest forward and up. I pull my arms down and back, chest forward and up. I pull my arms down and back, chest forward and up. Kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. Arms down and back, chest forward and up. One more set. The other thing that happens takes place at the bottom of the box, twisting. So as I kick, my hip comes up. I twist my hips. So if you have tight quads like I do, you might have to limit your range of motion and focus on stability. So I'm going to pull my chest forward and up, pull my arms down and back, and lift my lower abdominals. I'm going to pull to my end range, noticing that my hip point stays grounded on the mat. I'm going to keep it grounded and pull it in a little bit closer, and then reach my leg back. Other side. I'm going to keep my right hip point anchored and pull my heel to my seat. I keep it anchored and pull it in closer, and I'm going to see if I can maintain that. I keep anchoring my left hip bone, switch. Anchor your right hip bone. Good. Pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. One more set. You also have the option to take the top of the Pilates box out of the equation and focus just on the bottom of the box. So you stack your hands one on top of the other, forehead on your hands. Scoop your powerhouse, reach your legs back. Now bend your left knee, pull your heel to your seat. Make sure you're not twisting your hips. Keep that left hip bone grounded, and then try to pull your leg closer. Pull your navel forward as your leg goes back. Other side, I'm pressing the top of this foot into the floor. My right hip point into the floor as I pull. I pull it in a little bit closer. I reach it back and pull my navel forward. And then you can flow. You kick it closer, reach it back. You kick it closer, reach it back. Keep pulling your lower abdominals forward and your tailbone back. Once you've found the stability there, you can increase the challenge by lifting one leg up off the mat. So I'm going to reach my tailbone and my legs back. I'm going to press my left thigh up, try to find the stability in my hips. I'm going to pull, and reach it back. Same leg, I'm going to pull, navel forward, leg back. One more, pull, reach it back, lower it down. Same thing on the other side. Reach your legs and your tailbone back, pull your lower abdominals towards your arms. I keep both hip bones anchored and lift my thigh up. I pull, press my upper inner thigh up to reach my leg back. And again, pull, my right hip bone stays anchored. One more, I'm pressing the top of my left foot into the mat. I reach my leg back, powerhouse forward, lower all the way down. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.